Good morning, you guys. It is way too early. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm not a morning person, but I still try to wake up really early. I woke up at 6:30 today. Had to do everything in my power not to go back to bed. But I woke up, I worked out. It's gonna be a pretty full, busy day today. I have a really cool event that I'm gonna go to for Patrick Ta Beauty. Oh, wow. I just realized that this is the first in-person event that I will be going to since COVID. Oh my god, that's kind of crazy. I just want to take the time to put myself together, pick out a cute outfit, do hair, makeup. Before I do that, I have a bunch of work stuff that I need to do. Yeah, busy day. Let's get to it. I made a quick little breakfast. It's basically eggs, mushrooms, tomatoes, spinach, snacking on some baby carrots, which is like my favorite thing because it has that crunch to it. So this is what I have for breakfast every single day. It's super quick, it's super easy, lots of protein and veggies, and even though it doesn't look great, it tastes delicious. Just got out of the shower. Okay, so a product I want to show you is Gradual Tanning Milk from Bondi Sands. This stuff is so good. Every time I get out of the shower, I put it all over and it makes me look like I have the most natural tan ever. I feel like self-tanners sometimes can be hard to use. They can be streaky and like you have to think about it. This, you put it on like regular lotion. It never streaks because it's so gradual. But if you use it every day, which I do, like I use it every time I get out of the shower, you get the prettiest golden tone to your skin. So I've planned out my outfit, you guys. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing like a nice little white crop with this long, I don't know what you call this thing, but it's like a long, I have no idea what to call it. You'll see it when I put it on. And these really pale light blue jeans with a little cut in the knees, gold shoes, and then over here I have my purse and gold accessories. I'm about to start makeup right now. I sort of have an idea of what look I want to do. We'll see what ends up coming together. I definitely am going to play with the products that I used in my last vlog. I loved all the products together. Somehow I ended up running behind. Like how? I started to get ready early. My makeup turned out really pretty, if I do say so myself. You guys will see the full tutorial on my channel.
It's like a pink and gold reflection in it. So this would be really beautiful, like this color. If you want to put it on.
I'm such a terrible vlogger. I'm gonna blame it on the fact that I'm still new to vlogging. I went to that event and completely forgot to vlog anything because I was just so caught up in the event. The new collection from Patrick Ta Beauty is stunning. Patrick was there and it was just good to see like people I haven't seen in so long. Like Tenny was there and Trend Mood and Crispy. So it was great. We got gift bags from the Patrick Ta event. Let me show you guys what we got. This is so gorgeous. These are actually creams and I love that they have this little plastic cover so the powder doesn't go into the creams. These two shades will be perfect as a base shade all over your lid. You know when you apply a cream before you do shadow, it just makes the shadow stand out so much more. So I love this idea. You guys know I will be using this in a tutorial very soon. This is about a week's worth of PR packages. I usually don't leave them like this. I usually put them in my office, but this week has been so crazy I haven't even had a chance. So this is my home office. It's pretty small. I'm still totally in the process of setting this up. This room literally did not exist about a month ago. I just brought a desk, a chair, another chair. There's more PR packages. These still need to be open. Oh my god, there's so much, you guys. And then I'm going to oh my god, I just walked into my desk. Ow. I don't know about this couch. I had this couch from my old apartment. We'll see. I want to get some plants, a mirror over here. It's definitely a work in progress. Good morning, as I look disheveled. Lovely. I am currently in bed finishing up today's tutorial. I really love this look. It's just like super natural makeup. It is the most beautiful day ever today, you guys, and I just happened to be going to the beach. So a bunch of skincare brands, Ren Skincare, Caudalie, Youth to the People, Biossance, all came together, and instead of competing against each other, they decided to team up and work together. And they planned this event where we're going to the beach down by Santa Monica and we're gonna clean up the beach. I'm just so excited to see people I haven't seen in so long, another event, and to be by the beach and just to be outdoors, and the weather's stunning. So I'm gonna head to that and I'll give you guys a little sneak peek when I'm there. We're out here today at the beach with
Hi. Wait, what's happening? Are we taking a photo?
no, it's a video. And Sarah, and we are doing a beach cleanup with some of our favorite brands. So you save the recyclables and then the rest.
And then the rest will head to the landfill, but
there you go.
Ended up on the beach.
How much stuff we got, you guys. We found all of this in like 30 minutes. I'm here in Santa Monica today and I'm with We Are Allies Beach Cleanup, and I'm with my friends Spencer and Eman, and we were picking up trash. It has been the longest day, the longest week. I'm gonna wrap up this vlog, you guys, because I feel like it's been a little bit all over the place, but a lot happened this week, so I'm glad I was able to film some of it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in another video very soon. Bye.